Welcome back to another episode of Fast Lane Pros. Hope everybody is having a great day. And today we are going on another adventure. I've been searching for a certain vehicle for a while now, pretty much ever since I was a kid. My uncle had one and I was probably, I don't know, 10 years old maybe. But I really fell in love with the truck. He had one brand new, and it was just gorgeous, black and red two-tone with silver interior, gray, light gray interior. I really fell in love with the truck. Well, there you go, I just gave it away. So we are on our way to look at I'm not going to tell you, we'll just show you whenever we get there. We got Jonathan with us.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Let's go get this truck.
Let's go check this thing out.
Okay, so we have been on the road for about 25, 35, somewhere around there minutes now. And we are getting close, correct?
Pretty close.
We're getting pretty close, so we can go get this truck. And yeah, everything's going good. We're rolling and we're listening to some music. But we'll catch you guys when we get there. Let's go. We are here. Okay, guys, this truck, it does need to work. It is going to be a project truck. As you can tell, it does have rust. It's an old truck. It's a 85. Correct me if I'm wrong. GMC 1500.
Sierra Classic.
Yeah, Sierra Classic, guys. It's the blue, and it has a stripe all the way around. We're gonna get it, guys, no doubt, but we're trying to get the price a little negotiable, but we're gonna see how that goes. But we're gonna bring this back to you guys, so come check out what it has in it. Y'all, I'm not even gonna say what we're doing with this, but this is not staying in here. This is not staying in here. We're actually looking at something tomorrow that's bigger, badder, way wider, for this truck that needs to go in here. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna give it to Daddy. He's gonna give you all a little walk around on it, but check this truck out. It is awesome.
You got a pretty clean dirt jam right there. But this truck is pretty clean for being 30 years old. It does have a little dent in the door here, which ain't too bad. That can be fixed. But she does have a little rust. It's got a little rust above the cab, which makes me kind of leery, but I don't think it's anything that can't be fixed. And a little bit here. But we're gonna take these doors off. We're gonna take it all the way down. I actually have a buddy that does welding and fabrication, but usually all this is rusted out on them, but it's not. It's starting right there. Needs a door panel and a window.
Okay, guys, check out some of the trucks he have back here. This is actually his truck. 87, I believe. I could be wrong, guys. Don't hate me for it. I'm not good with these old schools, you know what I mean, guys. But he has a fuel cell back here that he keeps covered. This is his truck. He's selling it for $7,000, and this thing is nice, guys. It's all done up, but check it out.
I mean, 30 years old. 30 years old with no rust, that's hard to find, unless it's been garage kept or something. Yeah.
Alright guys, we have brought us the 85 square body GMC Classic. Let's get this thing home.
Let's do it.
Got Raymond following us behind us. Say what's up, Raymond. But we need to stop at a gas station.
We'll stop here in a little bit, but
we got us a little ways home, but
this is going to be work in progress, guys. If you like the square bodies, drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. You know, usually we bring car content. Hopefully you guys are going to like a little truck content. But drop a comment, let us know what you think, and get ready for this. Is going to be a big project.
This thing's pretty loud. I gotta say, for exhaust, it's pretty loud.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys can hear us really good. But we got us a little drive home, guys. I am stoked. Sorry if I'm too happy, but we have brought another vehicle. Not one, our first, another vehicle. And not only that, it's a truck. So I can't wait to see what we got planned for this truck, what we got coming for this truck, because I know it's going to be worth it, and I know it's going to be a fun ride as long as y'all guys stick with us. This truck is going to be awesome. It's going to be a father and son and FLP gang build. It's going to be awesome. So catch you guys at the house, I guess.
Yeah.
Thank you.